Hello, hello, hello. It's your one and only Lady Jill. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. My people, I want to give advice to our ladies. Our ladies now get this topic, because what did they happen to some of you now? And they look and say no, not be ordinary sometimes. And they look and say it be like say some of you are not too they okay, or if not deliverance you need do the deliverance when I maybe say in fact you go deliver yourself. Because how can a woman, a man go jogodo with you finish? You not satisfy, you not go fit tell am. The next thing you go do now to go bedroom. You go bedroom, go they take all those cucumber, they chook am for your honey pot. You go they chook am, till they satisfy yourself. Instead when you for tell the man say I'm not satisfied, baby, please, I want me and I need more. Then you can't go bedroom, go they take cucumber. Even two, they ever say you join two together. You this woman, you join two together. They took am for your only pot. Instead when you for tell the man say I'm not satisfied, you not let you do. The next thing when you do not to the chook am. They chook am, they chat ha ho. The man what got pissed now he cash you for bedroom. Me no understand what they happen to some of our ladies so. All those things one they use so. Where be say una go they use now. Even get one video where somebody say give me once at a time. When I see this woman, they chook something for your only pot. If they chook am, if pikin they even they cry. They tell the pikin say make it cool down. If I say na able small baby when they never able to when they born. What did they happen to now? They do now. Me no understand. Hey? Okay, you this lady way they do this kind of thing. What do they look for? You even see walking stick, you know reach you. The next thing that to carry cucumber, the chook am for your honey pots. Hey? That is because before I got the feel say maybe you can because the person not get man. This one you even get, you carry cucumber. They say if they able join two together two, as that cucumber still long, which they join two, now you just chook for the chook for your honey pot. You the chook for your honey pot. My people, this one are ordinary. What you call the apple now for social media? Oh, my people. As if you now see that the other woman, that one just the chook am. He just open the only pot down. He the chook am for inside. Hey? You not can see man wait toast you have been waiting. You not see man will follow you. We be say now to the chook something for your only pot. Now you can't like. If una don't chook and finish now, if una don't jam man, now the man want enter inside Jerusalem, the thing go just, the only pot go just open, go wide. Like, that is it. If the man can say your only pot too wide down, now you say the man they tease you. The man they insult you. Because you don't already feel go carry all those cucumber, all those this thing would rubber, this thing when una they buy. You don't already they shook am inside now. So how your only pot not go wide? Why not go wide? Man not come as man walking stick as his sweet rich. Una say no, say na that rubber una like. My people. This one a deliverance for una. Na deliverance. Una sure say una dey okay. All those women, una sure say una dey okay. My people, what you call the apple for this world now, eh? You say me you choke, me you close the mouth, me you not talk. But the thing not go let you stay. You must talk. Our ladies, I don't know what is wrong with you people at all. I don't know. I don't know what they wrong to now. Eh? How you, the funny part, this woman, this particular woman, the man even jogodo you, una enter, wella. You not satisfy. You don't feel go tell this man say, I'm not satisfied. Oh. The next thing when you do now to go be true. Go by yourself. They chook cucumber. Two together, they chook them. Because the thing when you use, not be saying a cucumber, but if you drink cucumber together, then this woman go carry. Now he passed Joromi. He passed Joromi, oh my people. I don't know where to come the app again. The other one just open you down, just the true calm. And the video there with me, that video, if not be say, YouTube not they allow some kind video. Now people like Una, they supposed to they expose. They go just they publish and they go. People like Una. Because I don't really know what they wrong with Una. I don't know whether Una they okay. How can the human being just sit down saying a rubber walking stick? Now you call like to the use. Eh? You go say na rubber, oh, now you can't like. But the one way get massive go even see they use them. That means not be only single girls they even they use them again now. Now both the married people, people will be say they even get mad because all those married people I never know. Maybe some they do and too. Nobody know. Nobody know. My people, I mean they look and say na deliverance. Now those women need. Cannot look and say na ordinary. They do now this one. When woman go just jogodo finish, you go say na that work is sticking once you go chook again for body. My people, our women, now when I get this topic, oh, I beg, more learn, more stop to do all those things. It no good, it no good. More stop them. More than stop to do all those things. It's no good. Eh? And the way or I book be eh? A woman go just stay. Waiting you want to do now to the choke all those rubber walking stick for inside a yoni pot. That one no, it's not good for you now. At all, I beg. It's not good for you. That is if they irritate person to even hear am. Say a man jogo do you finish now don't enjoy una self finish now the next thing to do now to carry walkie rubber walkie stick go the chook for your body. May God no agree, oh my people. This video is not go too long. That's why I want just to reach today. So my people, thank you everybody, and don't forget our hookup is still there. I'm still doing hookup because ever since me, even though I never do the video, but videos full there already, but I'm still doing my hookup. My hookup is still there. If you're the responsible man and the responsible woman, just contact me. I will still hook you up. So thank you everybody and take care. Until I come your way next time, I remember your one and only Lady Jill. And thumbs up for my video. If you are watching my video, please always give me a thumbs up. Always like my video. Please. And subscribe. Share this video for me so that make you reach those that are women where be say that they get her wrong, where be say they know they do well, where get this topic. I beg me kuna help me share, give them. Thank you everybody and take care. Bye.